Good morning students. Welcome back to online class. This is Max class. Students, let's do one activity. Multiply the numbers with the center number. Time starts now. Students, now check the answer. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 5 nines are 45, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 fours are 20, 5 six are 30, 5 twos are 10, 5 tens are 50, 5 threes are 50. You already know that. Hope you find the answer correctly. Let's do another one. Students, find the answer. Time starts now. Let's check the answer. Students, hope you find the answer correctly. Which operation have we used here? Yes, that is multiplication. You already know about the multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is represented by the sign cross. When we multiply two numbers, the answer we get is called the product. Students, today we are going to learn about the multiplication of fractions. Let's do the multiplication of fractions by models. Multiply 1 by 2 by 2 by 3. Students, first picture represents 1 by 2. Second picture represents 2 by 3. Here, which part has the common colored part in these two fractions? Yes, that is 1 by 3 is the common colored part. Answer is 1 by 3. That is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 is 1 by 3. Let us see some problems by doing calculation. Multiplying fractions with whole numbers. Example 1. Multiply 3 by 4 by 16. Students, let's multiply 3 by 4 by 16. First write 3 by 4 into 16. Here 16 is a whole number. First write the number 16 in fraction form. That is 16 by 1. Now we write 3 by 4 into 16 by 1. Let's check the common factors in the numerator and denominator. In this sum, 4 and 16 have the common factor which is 4. So divide the numerator and denominator by the common factor. That is 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Now multiply the number in the numerator separately, then multiply the number in the denominator separately. Let's write 3 into 4. In denominator 1 into 1 is there, right? 1 into 1. Now multiply the number 3 by 4. That is 3 fours are 12. Then multiply 1 by 1. 1 is 1. Now we get 12 by 1. That is 12. Answer is 12. Example 2. Multiply 7 by 3 by rupees 300. Students, let's multiply the number 7 by 3 by rupees 300. Here 300 is a whole number. So First write the whole number in fraction form. Let's write 7 by 3 into rupees 300 by 1. Students, let's check the common factors in the numerator and denominator. In this sum, 3 and 300 have the common factor which is 3. So divide the numerator and denominator by the common factor, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 hundreds are 300. Then multiply the number in the numerator separately, then multiply the number in the denominator separately, that is 7 into 100 divided by 1 into 1. Now multiply 7 by 100, that is 700, 1 by 1, that is 1 is 1. Now we get rupees 700 by 1, that we can write rupees 700. Answer is rupees 700. Multiplying fractions by fractions. Example 3. Multiply 3 by 8 by 4 by 5. Let's write multiply 3 by 8 by 4 by 5. Let's check the common factors in the numerator and the denominator. In this sum, 4 and 8 have the common factor which is 4. So divide the numerator and denominator by the common factor, that is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Then multiply the number in the numerator separately, then multiply the number in the denominator separately, that is 3 into 1 divided by 2 into 5. Let's multiply 3 by 1, that is 3. 3 ones are 3 divided by 2 fives are 10. Now we get 3 by 10. Answer is 3 by 10. Example 4. Multiply 24 by 18 by 15 by 12 by 4 by 5. Let's multiply these fractions. Students, let's check the common factors in the numerator and denominator. In this sum, 15 and 5 have the common factor which is 5. So divide both numerator 15 and the denominator 5 by the common factor, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Students, is there any other common factor in the numerator and the denominator? Yes, 24 and 12 have the common factor which is 12. So write 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. And also 4 and 18 have the common factor which is 2. 2 twos are 4, 9 twos are 18. Now write the number in the numerator separately, then write the number in the denominator separately, that is 2 into 3 into 2 divided by 9 into 1 into 1. Students, is there any other common factors in the numerator and denominator? Yes, 3 and 9 have the common factor which is 3. So cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Then multiply the number in the numerator divided by multiply the number in the denominator separately, that is 2 into 1 into 2 divided by 3 into 1 into 1, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 divided by 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. We get 4 by 3. Students, Here look at the numerator. Numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper fraction. We can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. Divide 3 by 4. 3 ones are 3. Then subtract 3 from 4. We get 1. Here quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. Divisor is 3. Now write in the form quotient remainder by divisor. Let's write 1 is quotient, 1 is remainder, by 3 is the divisor, that is 1 by 3. We get the answer is 1 by 3. Hope you have understood the topic. Do the given assignment. Thank you, students.